Products continually evolve due to technological, cultural, and societal change. SIT, or Systematic Inventive Thinking, has created a systematic approach that enables companies to control and accelerate a product's evolution.
Many large companies find it difficult to predict and plan for the future. They rely heavily on new technological acquisitions to improve their top line. Small to mid-sized companies are searching for a survival mechanism to keep costs down and profits high. SIT offers solutions for both.
SIT stands for Systematic Inventive Thinking. What's very unique about our method is that it takes into account your existing resources, your existing situations, and finds ways for you to grow organically using the resources that you already have within your organization. The way we do that is by applying a series of tools, thinking tools, to your existing resource base in order to help your products evolve in certain ways. This is a structured method which takes your existing resources, your existing products, finds ways to manipulate them and see how it can develop into a new pipeline of development projects and a new pipeline of products to complete your product portfolio.
New technological breakthroughs can be a powerful source of innovation, but they are usually few and far between and can involve extremely high costs. Looking to your competition or your customers can generate interesting ideas, but involves a major drawback. The information you get from them is equally available to everyone else in your industry.
Since Kapro began using SIT, our field has become very dynamic, and our competitors have also begun to innovate aggressively. Yet I can say with total honesty that a competitor has not once surprised us in the past 6 years. Every new innovation introduced by a competitor since we first began using SIT was anticipated by us.
We are in the somewhat enviable or sometimes unenviable position of having a very large market share in the industry that we compete in, upwards of 50%. Our goal is to grow about 15% a year, and with that kind of market share it gets fairly difficult. So over time we needed to work very, very hard on continuing new product development in order to generate those sales.
Every project involves a different mix of training and ideas development. Because SIT is a method, there is always some focus on training so that you can internalize the method and use it well.
We work a lot with mid-sized manufacturers who are very risk conscious when they go about innovation. A lot of these companies are facing a very big challenge about commoditization nowadays, especially the OEMs and the B2Bs who are being attacked by the low manufacturing costs in Mexico, in India, in China, other places in the Far East. The advantages of using the SIT method, of using only your resources, but creating added value out of it rather than cutting costs, is very attractive to many of these companies.
As you look at things like brainstorming, they tend to lead you to some rather far out ideas. So we wanted to find an approach that would help us develop products that were a little bit closer to our core business. And we felt that SIT's approach would help us do that.
With SIT's proven record of success, clients can rest easy knowing they are in very capable hands. For 21st Century Business, I'm Michael Clark reporting.